Hi everyone, welcome to Dundas Dashboard how-to videos. This video is on how to create a pop-up window of a chart that will be displayed when hovering over a point. This video will demonstrate how to successfully generate a script through the wizard that will pop up a window of a chart when hovering over a point in a data grid. Now, let's get started. As you can see here, there are two dashboards. Chart sale and grid sale. The chart sale is a dashboard with a line chart that shows a product's trend over time. There is a parameter on this dashboard that affects the products. The grid sale dashboard is a dashboard with a grid on it that shows a product and its total sales. What we would like to do is set up a hover over that when a user puts the mouse over a product point, a pop-up of the other chart will appear, applying the product value to the parameter, thus showing the users the trend of the desired product. Remember, for this to work, the pop-up dashboard or dash block needs to be already made. In our scenario, the dashboard chart sale is already made. Thus, let's go ahead and edit the grid sale dashboard. We can write our own script in the hover over interaction of the data grid. Or we can use the built-in wizard to generate the script for us. Let's use the wizard. To do so, right-click on the data grid, Interactions, and select Set up hover over. A pop-up will appear. The first step is to define what we would like to display in our pop-up. In our scenario, it is another dashboard. Also, we would like to change the size of the pop-up from 200 and 200 to 600 and 600. Click Next. Here, we will choose our dashboard that we would like to display, which is the chart sales. Let's click Finish for now. Let's preview this and see how our script works. As you can see, when we hover over a point, a pop-up appears. The pop-up will not appear as soon as the mouse is moved from this point and will not reappear when the mouse is hovering over the dashboard's background, empty data point, or the header. But it will pop up over any data point. Let's do orange. Right now, we have the exact same pop-up appearing whether we hover over grape or orange. Let's make our pop-up a bit more interesting and pass on the information of which product we're hovering over so the chart will be filtered on that. We will need a new script for that, so let's recreate our script using the wizard again. Right-click on the data grid, Interactions, Set up hover over. Set another dashboard. Change the size of the pop-up to 600. Click Next. Select the desired dashboard and click Next. Note, this step is only available if the targeted dashboard has existing parameters. Here, we're able to pass values to parameters of the dashboard. To do so, click Add Parameter, and now you'll need to set the target parameter value and the input source value. The target parameter is the name of the parameter that is on the dashboard that will be on the pop-up. As you can see, we have only one choice, so let's leave it as is. Input source is the value that will be used for the targeted parameter. In our case, let's use access label for the input and click finish. Since we didn't delete the previous script, a warning message will appear asking if we want to overwrite it or create additional script. In our case, let's overwrite it. Let's preview and see how the newly made script works. As you can see, when hovering over the grape product, the filter value in the pop-up is grape. Let's hover over orange now. When hovering over orange, the chart looks different in our pop-up. This is because the filter value is indeed changing. For more information on what we discussed in this video can be found on our support site, support.dundas.com. Some key articles are shown on the screen now. Please feel free to visit them and read up on the information. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please visit our support site at support.dundas.com or contact us by email or by phone, which are shown on the screen. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos.